your ultimate kids learning destination. Hey there, little brainiacs. Welcome to KOOL Creative Mingle. Let's start with animal names. Part 1. A is for alligator. A is for alligator. Here we have an alligator.
A is for ant. A is for ant.
Here we have an ant. B is for baboon. B is for baboon. Here we have a baboon. B is for badger. B is for badger. Here we have a badger. B is for bat. B is for bat. Here we have a bat. B is for bear. B is for bear. Here we have a bear. B is for beetle. B is for beetle. Here we have a beetle. B is for buffalo. B is for buffalo. Here we have a buffalo. Let's say it together. Alligator. Alligator. Ant. Ant.
Baboon. Baboon.
Badger. Badger.
Bit. Bit.
Bear. Bear. Beetle. Beetle. Buffalo. Buffalo. To continue, please watch the next video. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share with your friends, and subscribe to stay updated on all my latest videos. Thanks for being part of our community.